Hi everyone, Peter from Joel Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this little crocodile. So you're going to need your pipe cleaners, your lollipop stick, your googly eyes, and then you just need some glue and some plastic pens. So we're going to start by colouring in your lollipop stick. You don't need to do all of it, you just need to do each end. Different colour, and you're going to do the mouth with that one. So you just do the teeth, colour in the end. Next you want one of your pipe cleaners. So you're going to bend the end so it looks like a leg. And then you're going to wrap it round the lollipop stick. And you might have to take it off and do it again. And just adjust how long the leg needs to be, just so you can get it even. And squish it together. And then you do the same for the other side. Once you've got the legs done, you need to get your glue. And then you just need to glue on your eyes. There you go, all done.